Just want to give you a little update. I've been actually considering and thinking of updating my pilot's timepiece, my Navi timer, uh, updating Navi timer to an IWC Pilot chronograph. And I've been going back and forth, thinking, contemplating this for the past week or so, and I just decided, yeah, I want to go for IWC Pilots. There's one of semi-available, not completely available, but for the right price it can be. However, just there are some moments at the sunset or the right light hits my Navi timer on the spot, and I reconsider, and yeah, I've been fighting this battle on and on for days now, and just wanted to share and see what do you think. Should I update my Navi timer, my pilot's watch icon, to IWC? I like the IWC more. It's less busy. It's black and white. It's monochromatic, and I don't know. I see myself wearing this summer the IWC, but I like the Navi timer. Ideally, I would be getting IWC and leaving Navi timer, but I don't think that's a smart financial move. So I like to have one out, one in, alongside with my keepers. Last time I got rid of one of my keepers, I'm still regretting it, and yeah, still looking to get a Datejust, white dial, silver dial Datejust, just to bring it back to my collection because I love that watch. But now these days I'm contemplating about IWC Pilot's watch. I've been offered Panerai PAM 88, but I kind of don't like that one. I like the looks of the IWC, and I'm going by the philosophy of buying what I like. PAM is cool, but kind of like the looks of the IWC more. Yeah, so do write me down. What do you guys think? What should I do? Should I just keep my Navi timer and forget about it?